I am not at Disneyland today. I'm at Knott's Berry Farm. My friend Dee's getting me in for free today. Let's go and have some fun. I gotta go wait for her. Right. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Dee. I got the new iPhone 8 Plus.
I'm very happy with my iPhone 6 Plus. I'm going to keep it because it has a headphone jack, and
I don't care because I have wireless headphones.
I don't want anything to do with wireless headphones.
I love wireless headphones because whenever I go play basketball, I can just go shoot and not have to worry about a little white string. Thank you, Dee.
You're welcome. Thank you. Thank you.
I don't know, where are we going first?
Well, should we go to Silver Bullet since it's right here and it's my favorite ride?
We could go to Silver Bullet. Alright, so we just got off of Silver Bullet.
Yes.
First ride in what, 10 minutes this evening?
I don't even think we waited that long.
We weren't even in line for 10 minutes.
So do you want to go this way or do you want to go that way?
We could go this way.
Pony Express is that way.
Let's try Montezuma's.
Okay.
I haven't been on that ride in forever. Yo, they have an arcade here, I forgot. That's bad news. I have to do an arcade video here too.
Oh, okay. Lovely.
Bless me. We just got off of Montezuma's Revenge. It was fun, it was great, it was awesome. She's gonna take me onto the little hat dance. Hat dance, it's like teacups at Disney. So, let's see what we can do. I know I can't take the camera on this one, but you know, we'll just see how well it goes. If you guys don't see any more of this video after this, then it shows that I died. Until then, I love you guys.
Spun it too fast.
We spun it too fast.
Oh yeah, you were able to help this time. That's
We spun it a little too fast. They all saw us spinning it. And
there's no one on it.
I'm lightheaded, dizzy, all the above.
You can spin fast.
We felt the G-force.
Like pulling
Her
your body.
spit came from her mouth onto her backpack, and her backpack was not in front of her.
Feet away from
it was like 2-3 feet away.
And the force, the pulling
If you guys ever come to Knott's Berry Farm,
so hard to spin at that
get on the hat dance. Get on the hat dance. It's gonna be so worth it for you guys. Just don't eat beef jerky like me, otherwise you'll feel it come into your like esophagus area. I'll take over both vlogs.
There you go.
Hi guys. Say hi to each other. Hey, I got both vlogs.
Hello, that guy Gabe.
Hi,
Hello,
Dee.
NotNKansasAnymor.
Hi, Not in Kansas. Hi, that guy Gabe. Oh wait, that's me. This is that guy Gabe, AKA the weird guy.
No.
I don't know which screen to look at. I feel so much better.
Smudgy looking than yours does?
Yes. Oh, hey.
I'm
hey.
undressing.
Hey. Should we go to...
You want the dragon swing?
Let's go on swing.
Those swings?
Let's go on the swing.
Just fun. You want to swing some more?
Okay, yeah, no, you got a good point. We'll go on the dragon swing.
Okay.
Dragons!
Ball and a flag. Look at that. So he's got a basketball with the name of
The Warriors.
The current team that is a championship team, and a flag for a team that's never won a championship. Nice try. Nice try.
Get off of me. Get out of my way. Get him! Oh, jeez. I'm outnumbered over here. What is with everyone? Over here. Oh! Get over here. The boost! Oh! old man. Hey, get off of me. Get off of me. What is this? That's what I thought. Pull over. Chili cheese fries and my chocolate shake with no whipped cream and boom.
Steaming. What? You don't have to do it in slow motion. You can already. Yeah, it'll be in like super slow motion. Well, I like what that guy's saying, the Native American guy.
Yeah.
They never carry hatred in your heart. Or unless you're a really bad person, once you drink it, well, even if you don't have to drink it, it's a weapon.
I guess we're gonna go into Sidewinder now. We're gonna go have some fun, go ride another coaster. Cause we can. Cause we can. Just like that. Guys, group selfie!
Group selfie!
Group selfie!
Group selfie!
Group selfie! Wait. Where is it?
Hey, can I be in your video?
Yeah, what's your name, buddy?
Jaden Grinnell.
What's up, guys? That guy Gabe. That guy Gabe. Thank you.
Take a picture real quick.
Yeah, go for it. Selfie! Hey, cool, awesome.
I'm in the
Awesome.
back! I'm in the
Hey,
back!
she's in the back! Of course you would be in the back doing that. Why not? If you guys see this video, which you guys probably will because you're subscribed, shout out to you guys. You guys are the first people to ever get like a picture with me. I'm so excited.
We love to say hi to people.
We love saying hi to people, and we're like, I don't know, it's actually pretty dope.
We made $1 million in a minute.
Do you want this, buddy? There you go. Yeah, you guys can have it. There you go. No problem, guys.
First ball is up, and it's good for 1 point.
Oh! 2, 4.
Let's go!
Don't get cocky.
On the board. That's really good. All right. That was off the right one.
I hear that.
All right, that's good for another point. You got 7 points so far. That's really good, and you got one more point. Yeah, 1 more point from the hat.
No pressure. Oh! Whoa! He gets a hat. Let's see what he gets to choose from. What did you want? Which one? Wizards?
We finished out the park. We closed the park on Ghost Rider. I wish we were able to go again, but the guy in the control room said no.
He said no.
He said no. He rejected
But don't
us.
complain, you got him for free today.
I did because of someone who's got the hookups. Hey. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, please subscribe. Huh?
What's your guys' YouTube? I forgot it. I'm sorry.
Mine is that guy Gabe.
That guy, he's that guy.
I'm that guy Gabe.
Okay, we're gonna put you down
Okay.
right now.
Sweet. You guys want to say hi?
Hi.
Hey.
He's gotten so
Hey.
many new followers.
I've gotten so many followers today. I've gained like 8 subscribers today.
Oh wow, that's cool.
It's awesome.
That guy Gabe.
Yes.
That guy Gabe.
We are gonna follow you as soon as we go home.
Awesome.
That's fantastic. Thank you guys.
Appreciate it, guys. Have a great night. Before we close out this video, let's get some Starbucks. I want Starbucks. Give me the Starbucks.
minute.